Back to part 2 because I ran out of time in part 1, and I'm going to put the stems and the foliage in the bottom of this piece. I should show it to you quickly because you probably, if you didn't see part 1, you need to see this. I put little blobs down there, and I shouldn't get too fussy right now. But I've got a press and seal wrapped towel holder, and there's some wintergreen in there. And there's some Fandango, a little wasabi. Fandango and the wintergreen are Prizm pours. The wasabi is a primary element, I believe. Not as thrilled with the wasabi as I thought I might be. I'm going to use a little bit of deep amethyst. I like this green tea. It surprised me. I like it so much. I'm going to throw a little bit of African Jade in there just because I can. And a little bit of yellow. And I'll probably go back again. I know I have another color I like. I have a Wintergreen-Royal Sapphire and Midnight Shadow mix, which makes a wonderful forest, deep forest green when I open the top correctly. And then all that's left is to put the Fandango back in and maybe hit it one more time with the wintergreen. Although, now that I'm looking at it, I might want a little bit of purple in there because that's how I am. Yes, I see where I splodged. And did I not put any yellow in? I guess I'm going to put a little bit more of this yellow in. The yellow is a mix of Chantilly lace and Tuscan sun. And I was going to scoop, but I'm not sure I have enough to scoop. I'd kind of like to try and scoop though. You know what? I've got a little bit of this awesome color that I'm not sure it has any validity left anymore at all. This is a blue-green from Pebeo that is obviously getting way too thick. But I don't think using a little bit of it is going to hurt anything, so I'm going to do that. Let that dry. Now I'm going to grab my sticks and give it a try. It's been a while. Pick up some of everything. And after a while I can go back through and add some leaves on there, some more foliage. I might even try it with the stick. That one was a fat one. Yeah, I kind of want to try it with the stick at the bottom. Okay, so how many more long ones do I have? Not too many. I'm going to need to use a shorter stick to get back up in there. I don't want to drag it, I just want to stamp it. I guess I better use that. And put it down somewhere. And grab a much shorter stick, which will be even shorter than that. And you kind of use the shorter sticks for doing the basic everything, honestly. You just have to connect the pieces. So how do I like that? I'm not done yet. I can see that. Grab a very short stick. Careful not to grab the wrong side. It's pretty simple. It's almost done too. I could add a few buds, which is something that just occurred to me that I like the sound of. I kind of don't mind filling in the bottom somewhat. So I wonder, I could take the buds, I kind of want to, I kind of want to use a bloom technique, but I don't think it's the appropriate time, so I'm not going to do that. But I do like the way the foliage turned out. I'm curious to see if I can grab some of this. Just put a blob down and pull it out. If there is a blob, just pull it out. Because they definitely look like leaves and they add a little texture. I don't think it has to be probably everywhere. But it definitely makes me feel like that would be the easy way to do some buds too. Especially since there's some purple right there. Calling to me. So if I bud out the top of these little spots, they'll look like buds even if I don't put color in there, and I still could do that. Oh, that was different. I think I'm going to use up most of my time. But I'm also using up most of my paint, which makes me happy usually. There, I'm really liking the way that looks, but I kind of want to use a little more paint. In an effort to fill in some of the bottom. And evidently I don't have as much paint in there as I thought I did. But I'm liking the way it looks a lot more finished than it did a little bit ago. And I kind of want to take some of that Passion primary element. If you leave the tops open, they tend to dry a little tab on there. That's the Violet Rose. Deep Amethyst. And the black Raspberry. I'll just take that same tool I've been using. I've never added buds before, I don't think. They're kind of small. They could be anything. They don't have to be the same flower, I guess. It's just kind of fun to be different. If I missed some green underneath some, I'll try and fix that. I might just put them a few places because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link next to the second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. So whether I add stems to these extra buds or not, I still like filling in with that purple. I think it's pretty. I guess when I run out of paint, I'm done. And that, as they say, I'm really pretty happy with that. I wasn't too sure it would be impressive at one point in time, but I really like it now. It's a simple concept. Turn this light out, turn this light on. Try and shimmer that at you. Tell you if you have questions, feel free to ask me. Remember that there's a 20% off, 25% off until July 22nd, 2022 for color art. A coupon code for this site-wide. So I'm probably going to go back in and add at least something underneath those little, the spare ones. And I don't think that that's going to be too complicated to the point of thinking I could even do it now. I don't want to do that one now, no. And upside down, she's so brazen. It's only because the timer hasn't gone off yet. There, most of them have connected the dots. Not that you need to, because I really don't think you have to. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget the thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate that. And I'm probably going to continue on and fuss with this for a little bit longer and add the dot, which obviously you can do before or after the bud head. Double dot. Oh, I missed one. Well, whatever I missed, I'll take care of in a minute. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Did I just say that twice? Wow. Okay, on my link tree, underneath Show More, underneath the color art coupon code and the website address that's right there, you're going to find my link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, all kinds of stuff. I can't even focus right now. So I want to make sure you guys know I sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And if you want to contact me about a purchase or inquiry, please use my email address, easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. Look under Show More also for the paint pouring recipes. And know that if you have questions, feel free to ask them. On my community board, you should find tomorrow's video. On my Amazon link, you're going to find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. You can see them on my recent exhibition videos. I'm almost done. My Amazon link is a great place to shop, and it's at no added cost to you. It's got all kinds of, it's got 4 lists with lots of great stuff on it. I want to thank you guys for the kind words in the comments to keep my morale boosted. I'm going to probably throw some stars in this, just with the point of a dull point of a skewer. And so there will be little white dots in the background. And I'm trying not to overwhelm you with the light. I'm not doing a good job. Whatever I forgot to tell you, you'll see in another video. The Gallerist and Spring and Society 6 and Pixels.com Fine Art America are all on my link tree. And if you'd like to see something placed there that you can't find there that's among my artworks, I can try and do that for you. All you have to do is use my email address and contact me, and I'll get back to you and let you know what the link is, if I can do it. All right, take care of each other. I said that. I can't do that 3 times. All right, I love you. Bye for now. You inspire the heck out of me. Oh yeah, I posted 2:15 Eastern Standard Time right now, and there's some extra exhibition videos this month. In the month of July, there were 4 exhibition videos, all the 2700s. 8700s. I don't know why I do that. 8700s. All right, bye for now. Priscilla out. Wow.